company, what we do and how we do.
In translation for potato chips. But when they want to buy potato chips, a vast majority of Gujaratis and a significant population of Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Goa prefer to use the term Balaji. For the Western India, Balaji has become a synonym for potato chips. And that is an achievement we at Balaji Group are proud of. The selling of potato wafers that started at a cinema canteen in 1974 is now a multi-million venture. Today, Balaji is the market leader in the potato chip segment and a leading brand in the namkeen segment. Based at Rajkot, Gujarat, Balaji Group has grabbed the highest market share of potato chips in Gujarat, majority of market share in that namkeen segment. Let's admit the truth. We Indians are foodies. We in India love to seize every occasion and turn it into a celebration, always accompanied by tangy, tasty food items. And it is this inherent quality of Indians that our vision stems from, to offer a special item for each occasion. That is the vision driving Balaji Group. The Balaji Group has earned its reputation from the Balaji brand of potato chips. Ironically, for a company that thrives on chipping, all its success comes from a glued family synergy. The company is a venture of Virani family, an enterprise that has grown from a collective effort of the three Virani brothers, Bhikubhai, Chandubai and Kanubai. However, the next generation Viranis, Keyur, Mihir and Pranay are now shouldering the growth and expansion of the company.
बालाजी वेफर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की शुभ शुरुआत 1982 राजकोट से हुई। राजकोट से स्प्रेड होते हुए पूरे गुजरात, गुजरात से महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, एमपी, गोवा, इन 5 राज्यों में जिन लोगों का सहयोग मिला है उनमें से एक बालाजी वेफर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड के स्टाफ, स्टॉल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स, डीलर्स, रिटेलर्स और कंज्यूमर, और इसी तरह हमारी प्रोडक्ट पूरे इंडिया में जाने के लिए तैयार है।
The company owns one of the largest production facilities of potato chips in India, the Rajkot-based production unit, which is equipped with automatic machinery for potato chips, has potato processing capacity of 4,800 kilograms per hour. To expand the current production capacity and the scope of distribution in India and overseas markets, the company set up a new high-tech unit at Valsad. With a potato processing capacity of 9,000 kilograms per hour, the new unit has multiplied company's production capacity. The production capacity is complemented by a network of distributors, dealers and retailers. Today the company can make a humble claim that in any urban area and most of the rural areas of Gujarat, Balaji chips and namkeens are available within a radius of 100 meters.
हमने 1993 में बालाजी वेफर के साथ फन ऑटो व्हीकल से चालू किया था और आज हमारे पास 25 ऑटो व्हीकल है। बहुत बढ़िया गोडाउन है। बालाजी वेफर की मार्केट पॉलिसी अच्छी होने से मार्केट में से ही इतना सारा डिमांड आता है कि मेरे को मार्केट में माल पुश करने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती।
The company's product range is extensive, with currently 30 products and more products coming every year. Balaji's potato chips, however, is the flagship product. In addition to banana wafers, Farali Chevu, namkeens and Chataka Pataka, each of the 30 products has created a market for itself, attributed to the fact that every product of the company is created to offer value for money. That's the reason Balaji offers highest quality products at affordable cost. The consistent taste of Balaji's product is credit to the quality policy maintained by the company. All ingredients are tested in company's high-tech laboratory before the production. At various stages of production, sample testings are carried out to ensure that the best quality reaches our customers. Simultaneously, based on market research and demand, our innovation lab works to create new products to cater to the varied tastes.
The ingredients we are using is natural to give a healthy product. We have our own quality control department and R&D lab to ensure the quality before it goes to the production processes. In every hour we are sampling the processes, and every finished product we are checked before it goes to the market. All the equipment is designed to produce quality products.
While we at Balaji are committed to offer a range of tasty products, we also commit ourselves to maintain the eco-balance. The company values eco-friendliness, and hence, the production units at Rajkot and Valsad are equipped with effluent treatment plants. Adhering to company's policy of Green Globe, the company has set up 2 windmills for generation of electricity and is also generating biogas from bio-waste of its production. The company is proud to be contributing on the better side of carbon credits. In addition to ecological responsibility, Balaji equally values social responsibility. Our production plant and sales network generates employment for over 250,000 individuals. Further, to share management insights acquired from our experience, about 5,000 students every year visit our plant. These are the factors that contribute to our goodwill beyond business. In the past 2 decades, Balaji has created a niche for its products in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Goa. Now the products are gaining a hold in other regions of India. Global market is the next obvious step. We plan to create a range of Indianized and Western food products for our overseas market. Balaji, India's national chips and namkeens now, turning into a global brand. After all, it does not matter where you start. All that matters is what you deliver and how you deliver. Balaji, committed to deliver taste and quality.
Other companies, we believe that there is no need of marketing, 5 to 10% of marketing need in any company. We believe that if our product is good and there is strong, then there is no need of marketing. In our company, our director have ground level experience. They purchase raw material from the market and then process it, then packed it, and then he begins a channel. Day by day our company grown and he begins this channel, one appoint one production manager, appoint one purchase manager, then appoint one marketing manager. Today we have a 1,000 crore rupees of turnover, but we have no scheme in our company, no sales target in our company, and no advertisement in our company. That's the reason we believe in quality product at affordable rate. We believe that even children can buy our product from their pocket money and is satisfied with the quantity, and their parents don't worry about their health. So we have India's largest plant, and we are in only western region, but we are the second largest producer of the chips in India. And we believe that some part of marketing, if we look, that we believe that packing should be attractive and don't be waste on more rupees or more currency in packaging. Some market research says that your packet looking so small in 5 rupees, so consumer don't purchase it. But we think that if plastic don't goes in plastic cost don't goes in our pocket, don't goes in consumer product pocket, so why we should spend more in pouch? So we reduce the size of pouch and give the more quantity in pouch. We believe that price in Indian currency like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, not in odd figures, whether it's 12, 18 or 22. And we have good distribution channel that we think that every retailer or every consumer can get our product at nearby their area, and we believe that every retailer has to give serviced by our dealer. So twice in a week every retailer gets material from our dealer, so they don't need to invest so many rupees and they get fresh material, and in market we can supply good and fresh material. Thanks. That's our market.